हेलो दोस्तों, कैसे हो आप सब लोग। आई थिंक अच्छे होगे। अगर आप AMU जामिया की एंट्रेंस की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं तो आप सही चैनल पे आए हैं। आज का पहला क्वेश्चन है आपके सामने, वो है ये 176 क्वेश्चन। In which of the following state the Kamet mountain is situated? The right answer is Uttarakhand. ठीक, आगे चलते हैं। Recently, the Union External Affairs Minister has launched a book titled Impact Seneca: Implementation for the Indian Dawn. Who is the author of the book? The answer is Sameer Saran. Next question is, who among the following has recently chosen for the Maparu Vinashka Naidu National Award for Excellence? The right answer is Dr. M.S. Swaminathan. Next question is, recently the Union Minister Amit Shah recently released a book titled Kamya Yuddha Grant on the life of which of the Indian political leader? The right answer is Narendra Modi. आगे चलते हैं। The freedom of speech and the freedom to carry on a business through the internet covered under which article of Indian Constitution? Article is 19. There are many questions which I have seen in Jamia as well as AMU that they ask the articles. ठीक है, so that's very important. You have to learn the articles also. Next question is, which state is worst place for women security according to a recent National Crime Record Bureau report? It's in Uttar Pradesh. ठीक है। Recently, what amount of penalty has been imposed by the Reserve Bank on Tamil Nadu Merchant Bank for violating norms on fraud, classification and notification? This question is not so important. Right answer is 37 lakh rupees. आगे चलते हैं। Who has recently appointed as the 4th Deputy Governor of the Reserve Bank of India? This question is related to Reserve Bank of India and here's the appointment. You should know. The answer is Michael Patra. Lyra is the currency of which country? Lyra is Turkey. Your homework is you have to go on Google and you have to search that what is the capital of Turkey. ठीक है। Next question is, who has been recently conferred with 29 Saravati Saman? The right answer is Vadev Mohi. And the next question is, the Sri Salim Dam is situated on which river? It's situated on Krishna River. ठीक, आगे है। Bindabas Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which coast state? The right answer is Rajasthan. What is the full form of Ujala scheme? Ujala scheme recently launched. What is the full form? The full form is Unnati Jyoti by Affordable LEDs for all. Who is the Chief Executive Officer of Indian Post Payment Bank? This question is very important. The answer is Sureshi Sethi. And next question is, Alsur Lake is situated in which state? Alsur Lake is situated in Karnataka. Thalghat is situated in which state? It's situated in Maharashtra. World Acre has lifted suspension of India. Where is the headquarters of the World Acre Federation? This question is repeated. I already discussed this question in my previous video. But this question is important, so I repeat this question. The answer is Luswani, Switzerland. आगे चलते हैं। Recently, IRAD was in news. What is the full form of IRAD? The answer is Integrated Road Accident Database. Next question is, recently which of the following tiger reserve has shown the carbon storage was highest in the species which evergreen forest? That is Annamalai Tiger Reserve. Annamalai is located in Tamil Nadu. Next question is, who among the following has been named as an International Tennis Federation World Champion? The answer is Rafael Nadal. It's related to tennis federation. This question is very important. What is the name of the campaign that has been launched by the Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas, Dharmendra Pradhan, to create awareness among the following conservation of fuel? The right answer is Sakshman. There are two questions which can be raised from this question. What is the name of the campaign? The campaign is Saksham. Another question which raised from here, that who is the Minister of Petroleum and the Natural Gas? The right answer is Dharmendra Pradhan. ठीक है, आगे चलते हैं। The Konya River is tributary of which river? So the answer is Krishna River. Who has been appointed as the president of the European Council? Again, this is a very important question. So the answer is Charles Michel. Next question is, who has been appointed the first ever Chief Financial Officer of Reserve Bank of India? So it goes Sudha Balakrishna. And the last question of today is today we finally completed 200 questions. So the question is, where is the Amangarh Tiger Reserve located? So the right answer is Uttar Pradesh. So I hope आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी. Thank you.